Previously on the Lackadaisy, Mitzy heads downtown to settle an errand and runs into Zib where their conversations reveal more about their past.
What? You're playing hard to get now? I thought this is what you wanted.
Yeah. I guess I was just hoping to get it without the extra slathering of moral turpitude. You said it wasn't going to be like that. Cashing friends in like poker chips, I mean.
It wasn't supposed to be. But things didn't go the way I planned, and I'm running short on options. I've already pawned and sold everything I could to keep everyone fed. The big house, the cars, even my wedding china.
All of it. How about those marbles around your neck?
Oh, no! Why did you do that?
You pulled away. I'm sorry.
Then why are you just standing there? Help me! I can put it back together!
Zib gets detained by some federal law enforcement officers and gets an unexpected visit by a Prohibition agent who is more than meets the eye.
Ow, my face.
Well, that's interesting. On top of everything else, a bench warrant for Dorian Zabowski. And we picked you up at the Hop House some time ago. It didn't make your court date. Look, he's doing more math in his head over there. You still figure you had enough cash on you to cover your expenses?
He had cash on him? What cash? On a separate note, I'm headed to the races on my day off, fellas.
You might as well make the best of it and cool your heels some then. You aren't liable to find a judge to arraign you until after the holiday weekend anyway. You'll get your money back though. Won't he, boys? Assuming it's on the level, that is. You look down on your luck.
Does it show?
Oh? Does the name Marigold mean anything to you? You on that payroll by chance?
What? No. How do we jump to the conclusion that is my lip bleeding again? Or am I just that pretty? What?
Well, look at that. From the vanquished empire, huh? I thought that place was but a distant memory. I'm curious. Is it actually still limping along? Or did you just forget to take it off?
Every gambler has a favorite suit. This one hasn't been so lucky for me though lately. Or I wouldn't be here talking to you, officer, or is it detective?
Neither, but you flatter me. I'm just sharing office space with the best and brightest over there. Dom Drago. I'm with the Treasury Department.
Wow, this just keeps getting better.
Tell you what, we can pretend for now you're a good little taxpayer and not a sax player. Trust me, I've got bigger fish to fry. See you around.
You're too kind.
I do my best.
Yep. Well, stay out of trouble. Damn it!
Meanwhile, the two Lackadaisy rookies, Ivy and Rocky, make their way to the Arbogast homestead and search for some desperately needed moonshine for the Lackadaisy speakeasy.
Oh, what's that? Ah. I must have moonbeams in my eyes. Such a sparkling stockpile of spirits should satisfactorily supplement that insufferable swill we serve. Miss Sam will be so...
Rocky!
No! Corn! No! Why isn't this corn tall enough?
Watch out!
This is terrible corn!
Hurry up!
Huh. It's possible I've made this situation slightly worse?
Rocky! Look out!
No!
And now back to your regular scheduled program. Stay jazzy.